Your bed is the central part of your restful retreat. And with a piece like this, you can drift off to dreamland in an understated modern style. Crafted from steel, this budget-friendly frame features a ladder headboard and 12 inches of clearance from the floor, making it a great option for under-bed storage. An included slat kit means there's no need for you to add a box spring, just put your mattress directly on the frame. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Strong Suppor. Strong steel slat support combined with 4 sturdy U-shaped metal frames and 9 support legs offers a quiet, noise-free, supportive foundation for foam, latex, or spring mattress and no box spring needed. It's the firmness with a bearing capacity of 1102 pounds. Number 2. Quick installation, U-shaped stable junction for much easier assembly. Clear assembly instruction helps people with zero assembly experience. It only takes around 1 hour to complete the installation. Number 3. Sleek and stable. Reinforced leg structure and frame structure make the bed frame foundation free from squeaking and sliding. This black metal bed frame has an elegant look that will complement any color scheme. This retro bed frame is a sleek finishing touch to your bedroom. Number 4. Under-bed storage. The height of the frame allows for easy under-bed storage. This black metal bed frame has an elegant look that will complement any color scheme. Number 5. Excellent service. We provide 12 months free parts replacement, limited 30-day return policy. If you find any problem with the bed frame, please don't hesitate to contact us. We'll solve your problem within 24 hours. Number 6. Stable and durable. U-shaped stable junction, stable and easy assembly. Strong steel slat support is combined by 4 sturdy U-shaped metal frames and 9 support legs, which offers a quiet, noise-free, supportive foundation for foam, latex, or spring mattress and no box spring needed. Number 7. Sleek and streamlined design. The headboard is made of an MDF board that is waterproof and scratch-resistant. The whole is composed of a metal iron frame and MDF board, which is sturdy and durable. The vintage brown color makes the bed easy to match your home decor. Number 8. More storage space. The 12 inches of clearance from the floor, making it a great option for under-bed storage. Its modern design creates a warm and elegant feel to your sweet home, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.